So welcome back to this channel once again, and I'm again here with another topic on subfiles. So here I'm gonna discuss SFLENTER function, or you can say keyword in subfile. So what is the exact usage of this keyword in subfile? So let me show you the demo here. So for example, I just created this program. I can see this is a file with record selection, but here I'm gonna showing you the functionality of SFLENTER keyword. So as we all know that this is all know that this is a load also file, because as we can see here that you can see here, this is this file size and SFL page, which is defined as 3 or 999, which is for load also file. So just call this program again, for example. Now you can see here we have various things to do, but I'm going to show you the functionality of the SFLENTER. So for example, I'm pressing enter here. So once I press enter, you can see that my page is scrolled down. So once I press enter again, so you can see that now I cannot roll up or down past the first or last record, because this is the last page. Okay, so once I do page up, I can do the page up. Now roll up, pass down the first or last record in file. Okay, I cannot do more than this page up. Okay, because this is the first page. Now I can, so once I press page down also, so we can, so the page down will surely work as the uh, page down or the next page, okay, on the sub file. Page up and page down will work the same as they work in load also file. But if I press enter, okay, so if I press enter here on the sub file, it will also work as a page down keyword uh, key functionality. So the key page down key on, that is the page down key on the keyboard, will work, or you can say the enter key on the keyboard will work same as the page down key on the keyboard. So now you can do the page down on the sub file using the page down key as well as the enter key. Okay, so here you can see, if I press enter, I can do page down. But now how will the enter key will work? Okay, so here I can see that here I'm showing the current subfile RN, which is currently showing as 0, which is basically coming from the SFLS call value. Okay, so but now that is not coming, that is always 0 once I press enter, even because now enter is working as a uh, page down key. Okay, so for what, for enter then, so I just associated F5 keyword, F5 function key with that enter key. So if I press F5, I can see that the current subfile RN is updated to 4. And since we know that on pressing enter, we just come back to the first page on subfile. This is the issue with the subfile, so we can handle that using file information data structure of the subfile called RN, SFL RCD NBR keyword in this subfile. But here I didn't handle that. So I can see that the current subfile RN is updated. So if I press F4, F5 again, so I can see this is updated again, because we are on the first page now. So as you can see that now F5 key is working as enter key, and the enter key is working as a page down key. So how did I done that? I didn't did that. So what I did is, basically this is the sub file. So this is the sub file format. Okay, F3 key, and this is the sub file control format. So SFL CTL size page display DSP CTL are the mandatory keywords which must be there in the sub file. So these are optional, or SFL clear or SFL end keyword and overlay keyword. Now here you can see SFLENTER. So I just used SFLENTER keyword here in this file control format, and associated the command attention. I can associate command function also, CF05 or whatever indicator I want, so that I would press that key, and then that key would be behaving as a enter key. So here F5 key will be behaving as an enter key, okay, um, or enter key will be behaving as a page down key, okay. Now, which means that they're all up key, okay. So this is the subfile, and now I can see there's nothing changed in the program. The program will be same. We don't need to handle this thing in our program, SFL enter key. So this is the simple program where files and subfiles are defined, and this is for displaying the subfile and then handling the keyboard keys. This is for initialization. So first thing will be the load of the subfile. So this is the loading subfile, writing subfile format, okay, and then pressing F3 or whatever we did, we took X or anything else on that thing. So this is that part. So here, so if we use SFL enter, we don't need to do any specific handling for that purpose. So just to know you that, to let you know that using SFL enter, we would be the enter key would be behaving as a page down or the roll up key, or the function key that is associated with that SFL enter keyword, either CA01, CA02, CA03, whatever, CF01, CA02, whatever you use there. So that will behave as a enter key. So this is the thing. So if I call it again, so if I press enter, I can do the page down is happening. Now if I press F5 here, I can see the current subfile RN is updated, okay. Doing page down again, pressing F5 will be working as a enter key, okay. So this is the thing which is just I'm going to give you information about means using the SFL enter in your subfile. So whenever you want that just that key, like enter would work as a page down key or some other key would work as an enter key, then you can simply use this keyword, okay. So that's all in this video. Thank you and have a nice time.